What is this like thing? What is this? Ow! Ow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this gorga day? I am feeling stunning. I don't know why I am, because I need a haircut, but I can't cut it, you guys. I cannot cut it again. Like, I cannot have my brothers cut my hair again because it was a disaster. That's not what this video is about. What this video is about is you guys testing out weird Wish beauty gadgets. You guys, I ordered these Wish products literally 2 months ago, and they're just now finally getting to me. I ordered these couple of them, and I actually ordered a couple more because I wanted to do like a lot in one video, but there's literally like no way. It's taking so long for them to get to me. It's ridiculous. Wish is an app store. And so they just have like the most random things on there that are like really inexpensive. I thought it'd be kind of fun to just buy a bunch of like random gadgets and things from here for us to test out and try in today's video. I don't want to talk about it. You're gonna see. Don't you worry. So that's today's video is going to be. As always, if you guys like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know, deal with that. But if you guys do like this video, if you guys like saving money, if you guys like the gays, subscribe. Subscribe to this channel right now. Let's get started. First things first, though, we have here, we got these strips. These strips are like foot pad strips. Like they literally like suck the toxins out of your feet. And what I did, you guys, I actually used these last night so that I can like show you guys what they do. And so I'm gonna go ahead and insert the clip right now. What is up, you guys? So I'm here and we're gonna be using the foot pads for the first time ever. So the instructions say, clean the area to be pasted, which I did, my fucking dirty ass foot. When initially using, stick it for 4 to 6 hours, then increase the use time up to 8 hours, then tear it off. So for the first time using it, 4 to 6 hours, I'm gonna leave it on for, let's say, 4 to 5 hours for the first time, just in case. I'm a little nerve. Avoid using it in the same place every single day. So let's just go ahead and try this bad bitch out. Our patches, our foot. Ew, my foot, sick. Keep out of reach of children. Well, luckily I don't have a child. The only child I have is a fur baby. We got 2 sheets here, 2 patote sheets. So I don't know, you guys, I wish that they were more specific about like how to actually put this on. Like literally all it came with was this paper and this. Like, I don't even know where the fuck to put the shit, but we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna place this, what if this really works? I'm gonna be shooky. Okay, we're gonna place this big bitch across our feet here. We're gonna just put one long pad across it. I feel like that's the best way to go. The second patch, you know what? I think that I have pretty nice dude feet. I think that really has helped me in my life. No, it hasn't. Okay, cool, we got it on, not correctly, of course. So now we're gonna leave these on for the next 4 to 6 hours, and I'll be back to see what the fuck happens after I take off these strips. Okay guys, so it's been officially 4.5 hours, so now we're gonna go in and see what exactly they look like. So some things to note before I even start. One, at about the 4-hour mark, my feet started to feel like they were like buzzing, or like I felt like my heartbeat in my feet. It was very strange, like nothing crazy, but like I was just noticing it, maybe because I was paying attention. And 2, the freaking little pads kept like coming off. The edges of them would not stick. They would not stay down like at all. So it's like really annoying that they didn't stay stuck for like the whole time. For the most part they did, and I kept having to push it back down, but it was just like really annoying that they weren't like stuck on you like they should have been. I was like, girl, come on. For the amount I paid for this, $1, $2, maybe $3. I should be getting really good results. These are like coming undone. It's so annoying. But let's go and just do the reveal like on camera right now, because I don't even know what's gonna happen. I'm scared. Ah, it feels fucking weird. I see nothing. Not a damn thing. No toxins. No nothing. I think they gooped me, guys. I think they officially fully gooped me, because I don't see shit. And this is for 4.5 hours. Where are the impurities at? I'm gonna officially declare this product from Wish a dud. A full dud. Back to you, Manny, at the studio. Thank you so much, Manny. You're wonderful and stunning. Before you fall asleep. As you can see, these things just did not work. They did not work out for me in any way, shape, or form. I kept them on for 4.5 hours. Literally nothing came out of my feet. I thought when you pull these off, they're supposed to have like a dark residue, because it's like pulling out all the toxins and thingies and worms and brain worms. And clearly that didn't work. So that to me was just a complete flop. And it also like freaked me out. That's like for the first time use, 4 to 6 hours only. And I'm like, oh my God, what's gonna happen if I do it for longer than that? Like, who knows? What if it sucked out my fucking soul? What if it sucked out my fucking soul?
After that, the Dementors can have you.
You never know. It was a gimmick, not Gorga, it was a gimmick. Okay, now you guys, we have this little machine, and it's supposed to be a hair removing machine, and it's like literally like, you hear that? I don't get it. I went ahead and I zoomed you guys in a little bit. So I have hair on my face. So basically, apparently you're supposed to like, oh my God. Oh my God. There's little hairs on it. You guys, okay, so what you do is you put it on you and you close. We're not doing that again. We're not doing that again. So clearly it works. But basically what it is, it's like a hair pulling machine. So it's coils, and the coils open and you close the coils, and the coils trap your hair and they rip them out. Why? This is a torture device is what this is.
This is torture!
It's torturous. Now there's like hairs. And how do you get your hairs out of it when it's done? Like literally the hairs are trapped in here. I'm trying to, oh, they're open. Okay. You guys, that really like pulled my hair, like real. You guys saw literally dangling from my face. It pulled out my little hairs. Ow. Okay, you know what? Even though I hate it, I have to say it worked. It literally did pull my hair out, ripped it out from the socket. Oh, that hurt. That really hurt. So that one I have to say was I'm not gonna say it was Gorga. I can't say it was Gorga because literally it hurt. But it did fucking work, which is really weird. Okay guys, so this one I'm actually the most excited to try out. We have a full-blown titty, silicone tittiness. I have to try this on. Like, I have to try it on. I just want to like, yeah. So this is actually the most expensive thing I bought from the Wish store. This was like $60, $70, $80. I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was like an expensive price point. But like when I have the titties here, they're titiful and really big and really crazy. So basically what it is like a silicone thing that you stretch it over you and you have a full set of titties. And apparently it's like they give you like a long neck so you can like cut it to fit your neck. So I'm gonna go and cut the neck right now. What am I doing with my life? So I cut the neck part and so like they were saying like to powder this so you can actually like put it, because it's like literally like it's skin. So I'm like needing to powder this, I'm assuming. So I'm gonna go ahead and powder the inside at least so we can like get it on. Taking a powder puff and some powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and just powder it so it'll slip on like a slip and slide. This might take a second, huh? I'm just pouring powder inside. Oh, Lord. It feels so weird. Why are boobies so fun? I don't understand. I want some titties. And now I got them.
If you had big puppies, you could rule the world.
Oh my gosh. Will this even fit me? Ow! Oh my God, I just pulled my hair. Oh. Oh my God. So listen. Oh my God. I feel like Mrs. Doubtfire. Manny! Oh my God. This is like hurting me. I can't reach it. Ow. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, you guys, we got it on. And I feel like I'm suffocating. I feel like I'm literally dying right now. I don't want to show my nipples because they're nipply and it's cold outside. I'm literally so shocked at these. Like, this is crazy. Obviously, it doesn't match my skin tone. Like, this is a much tanner version of me. But it's kind of cool having boobies. I might get demonetized. I'm not gonna lie. I might get demonetized because of this. Okay. Oh my God. It's making my rolls pop out. Yo, like the rolls here are out of control. Okay, guys. So that was a success, I would say. I'm definitely tittylicious now. If I need titties, I can titify them. I want to pierce the nipple of it. Huh. Okay, well anyway, it worked. It's just really hard to put on, and would I recommend it? I mean, honestly, I don't know what you would need it for, so I can't recommend this to you guys because I literally don't know what this would be used for other than like drag potentially, but even then it'd be so hot in this, like it's literally like I'm dying suffocating in here. So are they titties? Yes, but I cannot deal in this. Okay, I'm gonna take these off because I'm dying. And it makes your rolls pop out, you know? And it's like, you know, we're in quarantine, the rolls are out here. I've had a lot of fucking chocolate rolls, and there's now rolls here, everywhere down here. And it is what it is, you know what? And all bodies are beautiful, period. Okay guys, so when it comes to the titties, it was a fun product. It's hilarious. It's just like fun to have. But would I ever wear them again? Absolutely not. So I guess technically it wouldn't be a win for me. It's more of a neutral. It's not a gorga, but it's not a gimmick. It's between. I'm in the middle right now. Moving on. So next, you guys, we have this little product here. This is like a sonic PLC system. Removes plaque, tartar, and stains from your teeth. It's basically like a at-home dentist like buzzer. So I went ahead and I used this last night, and I'm gonna insert the clip here. So here we have our Sonic PLC Gentle at Home Dental Cleaning System. Removes plaque, tartar, and stains. Let's see what it looks like when we open it. This little flimsy plastic and flimsy, look at, like, doesn't that look dirty in there? Maybe it's just the plastic, but it looks like really dirty in this area right here. Oh Lord. Jesus be with me. So I came downstairs to get a AAA battery, because of course it didn't come with a battery. Why would I think this would come with a battery? Turning it on, and literally nothing's happening. Okay, unscrew the lid. Let's do the opposite end, just in case. It's hard to do with one hand, oh my God. We're just all over the place in today's video, aren't we? I kind of like it. It just makes it like different, not only in the beauty room. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and place this and turn it. Do it and turn to the left. It says turn to the left, so I'm turning to the left. Oh! Okay, I'm excited. Are you guys ready to get deplaqued right now? What in the plaque? I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my mouth. Okay, let me really bring you guys into this journey. Okay, no bad up there. Down here though. Oh God. We can see the lurk. Did it do literally anything? You guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Like dead ass, I don't know if this is doing anything other than making my mouth vibrate. I feel like I shouldn't be doing this because I'm not a professional. I'm gonna go ahead and say this did literally nothing to me. Okay, enough of you. So as we can see, this did literally nothing. You guys, this like really didn't do much. Like I didn't really feel like it was taking off any plaque or like any kind of like buildup that I had or anything like that. I haven't been dentist in forever because of fucking quarantine, okay? And so there is buildup. I know there is there. But do you know what I do think would be actually useful? So this tip, I actually will be using it again. Just the tip. So I will be using this little rubber tip because it actually did work. It went underneath my gums. It was doing the whole fantasy. So for this one, I would have to say, for what it actually is, like the whole like pulsing sonic, like taking off your plaque and tartar, that did not work for me. But the little rubber tip version that would like clean around your gums did work for me because I actually have a version of this in my bathroom that the dentist gave me that's really, really good for going up there, especially when you have veneers. Like you need to make sure you take care of your teeth because it's like their caps and stuff. So yeah, that was really cool that this part worked. The other part did not work. So I'd say technically it is a gimmick because it didn't work for what it says it was going to do, but the little rubber moment, like the little rubber attachment that it comes with, did work. So I guess technically this would also be like a medium moment. Like it was a gimmick, but it could also be gorga if you really put it to like use the way that I was doing it. But the other one, like the metal one, it didn't really do shit. Honestly, it was just a buzzing and like a metal pick. Like that's all it was doing. And last but not least, certainly last but not least, we have this little product here, which is like it's a brow product. And I just don't understand it. It's a, whoa, what the heck? What is this like thing? What is this? Ow, that hurt. Okay, I don't know what the freak this is. This reminds me of like drag tape, like that they would use like across the thing. Like, I don't know. But basically, guys, what this is like, it's like a brow plug-in filler. A brow plug-in filler. They're all different shapes. We have all different shapes of brows here. And what you do is you hold it against your head and you just fill in from there. So we're gonna see, we have like a straight brow moment. We have like a really thick straight brow moment. We have some arched ones. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to try this out and see if this actually like does what it say it's going to do. I think the closest one to me is gonna be 5. It has like a nice arch to it. A nice arch, like how I have. Low key, it like fits my forehead like space kind of flawlessly, which is very strange. I don't expect it to fit my like brows kind of perfectly. Should I just go ahead and grab like a little brow pomade and just kind of fill it in and just see what happens? That's what I'm going to do. Just see if it gives us the right like surface area. Oh my God, surface area. What do I think I am, being so smart, talking about sciencey things like surface area. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do it against this one and just see what happens. I'm gonna go down here, the bottom, and just kind of fill in from here and see what happens. I fully filled this in now. Ma'am. Okay, so that was a complete no. We're gonna try it on this side too. We're gonna see, maybe I just like adjusted it wrong. So now we're gonna do really angular and sharply. We're just gonna fill in the spaces that it recommended, or that it has here, just to see what it looks like. I know this is obviously more intense than it usually would be. I'm just trying to show like what it would look like. Do you know what I look like? I look like a me from the Wii systems. I look like a me with the brows like this. Oh, lovely. Lovely right there. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. What the fuck? I look like a Wii. A me. I look like a me with straight. These are some straight ass brows. What the fuck? Can I do with straight brows? I don't even know. Could I do it if I tried? I don't look good in it though. That's the problem. Okay, you guys, and that is it for today's video. These are me testing out these 5 weird beauty products from Wish. I thought they were so strange, so odd. I have another shipment coming in of other things I have. Let me know if you guys like this video, and I can definitely do another version of it when I get more products in. If you guys don't like it, that's totally fine. But I thought it'd be kind of fun to just test these out. Some of these things actually did work. Like this, it worked. Like it really did pull my hair, and it like hurt like a mother. But it actually worked. The sonic system, of course, only the rubber tip worked for me, not the metal tip. And then the boobies, they're boobies. Who doesn't love boobies? If you want the boobies, get the boobies. Period. Everything else, like the brow thing and the foot thing, that so did not work. Not even close. I'm gonna log off now because my brow's like, horrible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah. Kisses and blessings. Ooh, that's bad. That's bad. Okay, guys, so it's been. Okay, guys, so it's a bit. I can speak. I'm too tired. I don't wear green. What am I doing in pastel green? Does it make my eyes pop? Does it make my eyes pop like a pua? Hey, guys. Whoa. That's my hair. That got pulled off.